Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate contactless tap for in-store purchases on your card, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable this convenient payment method. Step 1. Check if your credit or debit card has a contactless symbol, which looks like a Wi-Fi or radio wave icon on the front of the card. Step 2. Contact your card issuer or bank to confirm that contactless payments are available for your account. This can usually be done through their customer service number or mobile app. Step 3. If your card does not have contactless capability, request a replacement card with contactless technology from your bank. Step 4. Once you have a contactless-enabled card, ensure it is activated by making a chip or swipe transaction first, or by following your bank's activation process. Step 5. Download your bank's mobile app if you haven't already, as some banks require you to enable contactless payments through their app settings. Step 6. Open the mobile banking app and navigate to the card settings or payment settings section. Step 7. Look for an option to enable or activate contactless payments, NFC or tap to pay. Step 8. Toggle the setting to on if required. Step 9. Your contactless payment feature is now active and ready to use at any contactless-enabled payment terminal. Step 10. To use it, simply tap your card on the contactless reader at checkout. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.